In this video, I will show you how to fix the cannot use content error and restore licenses. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Before we start, we need to ensure that our controller is connected. We see the blue light. We know that's connected. Now what we want to do is we want to go to settings, and in settings, in settings we want to go to users and accounts. Under users and accounts, we want to go to other, and in other we can see restore licenses. When we click on it, we can restore licenses for any game, but I'm going to restore for all the games. And once I click on restore, it's going to take me a few seconds and it's going to restore all the licenses. Once we're done with that, we need to go back and we go to console sharing. We need to enable that, and you see my account has already been enabled. You need to ensure that this is the account that has all the games that you want to share though. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.